Hi, I'm Ben, and I have an exciting project for us to work on. I don't know about you, but one of my most used apps, something I check every morning when I wake up, is my weather app. I've tried a bunch, and while I've found some that I like, none are exactly what I want to use. Or maybe they work well, but they don't look so good. So let's build our own. It turns out that getting weather data from somewhere on the web and displaying it in an app is a great learning experience. Most apps these days have some sort of online component, so we'll need to get very familiar with sending and receiving data over a phone or tablet's network connection. By this point, I'm going to assume that you are pretty familiar with the concepts covered in the projects that come before this course. If you haven't taken our other courses, check out the prerequisites list and complete those courses before you start this one. I've linked to the prerequisite courses in the teacher's notes below. But if you're ready, then let's get started. We'll keep the user interface pretty simple, but once again we have some great design mockups to work from thanks to Matt Helm, one of our Treehouse designers. Let's call this app Stormy. The app will simply display current weather conditions for a hard-coded location. It will load fresh data each time we run the app, and will also add a refresh button. You might be wondering, where are we going to get this lovely data about current weather conditions? Thankfully, there are a few services online that we can access for free. For this app, we will be using one called Forecast that provides weather data for developers to use. Forecast powers some popular weather apps like Forecast.io on the web and Dark Sky for iPhones. If we scroll down a little bit, we can click on this link here for third-party apps, and we can see some other apps powered by this service. It's pretty reliable, and it's free to get started. Now, a weather app will usually detect your location and serve up weather automatically. Our focus in this course is to learn about networking, so as a result, Stormy will not automatically detect our location. We will just hard-code a location for now. But it will be easy to add this functionality in at a later time, and I encourage you to try it once you finish this app. As usual, I ask you to warm up your brain and fingers with a quick code challenge. Give it a shot, and then meet me in the next video where we will get started.